Hi everyone, this is Geetika Vinodni. You are watching Geeta Tricks. In our last section, we have discussed the topics converting a decimal into a vulgar fraction, addition of decimals, subtraction of decimals, multiplication of two or more decimals, dividing a decimal fraction by a counting numbers, dividing a decimal by a decimal. In this section, we will discuss recurring decimals. Let us start our section. Recurring decimal. Recurring decimal means repeating decimal. In this, we have two. One is pure recurring decimal and another one is mixed recurring decimal. Coming to first one, pure recurring decimal. Pure recurring decimal means a decimal fraction in which all the figures after the decimal point are repeated. That decimal is known as pure recurring decimals. Let example 0.33 and 0.3232 and etc. For better understanding, we have to see some examples. The example of recurring decimal is converting a pure recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction. The rule of converting a pure recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction is write the repeated figure only once in the numerator and take as many nines in the denominator as is the number of repeating figures. Let us see examples.
Converting a pure recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction. Let us see one example. 0.3 bar. In numerator, we have to remove the decimal point. After remove the decimal point, it becomes 3. In denominator, we have to write 9 because here how many recurring points? One recurring point. So, recurring point must be denoted by 9. So, in denominator, we have to write 9. After we have to do simplification, 3 1s are 3 3s are 1 by 3. Here, how many points after having decimal point? 1. So, after 1 by 3, we have 1 decimal point. Coming to next example, 2.27 bar. First, you have to remove the decimal point in numerator. In numerator 27 by denominator. Here, how many recurring decimals? 2 recurring decimals. So, you have to write 2 nines here, double 9, and do the calculation and put the decimal point after the digit. These are the examples of converting a pure decimal, recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction.
Coming to next one, mixed recurring decimals. Mixed recurring decimals are a decimal fraction in which some figures do not repeat and some of them repeat is called a mixed recurring decimals. Example 0.266, 0.326868 and etc. For better understanding, we have to see some examples. The examples of mixed recurring decimal is converting a mixed recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction. The rule of converting a mixed recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction is for converting a mixed recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction, take in the numerator the difference between the number formed by all the digits after decimal point and that formed by non-repeating digits in the denominator. Take as many nines as they are repeating digits and as many zeros as is the number of non-repeating digits. Let us see some examples for understanding.
Converting a mixed recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction. Let us see one example. 0.26. Here, one recurring point and one without recurring point. First, you have to write here after decimal how many digits you have? 2 digits. What are they? 2 and 6. First, you have to write 26 here and these 26 is subtract without recurring point. Here, what is the without recurring point? 2. So, 26 is subtract with 2. Coming to denominator, here how many recurring points? 1. So, I have to write 9. Here how many non-recurring points? 1. So, I have to write 0. Recurring point having 9 and non-recurring point having 0. That's why I am write 90 in denominator. Are you understanding? Okay. Let us know again. We have 0.26 value. First, you have to write after decimal points how many digits we have? 2 digits. The 2 digits will be right here, and this value is subtract without any recurring point. Here without recurring point is 2. So 26 is subtract with 2, and in denominator we have to write how many recurring points? 1 recurring point, so you have to write 9, and non-recurring point how many? 1, so you have to write 0, and to do the simplification, 24 by 19, 6 4s are 24, 6 15s are 90, so 14 by 5, 14 by 15, and here no need to show any decimal point, right? So I didn't show any decimal point here. And coming to next one, for better understanding, 3.467 were. Here how many recurring points? 1 recurring point, and how many non-recurring points? 2. So don't write directly. First you have to separate 3 and 0.467 were. So first I have to separate 3 plus 0.467 were. 3 as usual, 3 plus now we have to apply our trick. 0.467 bar. First you have to write the after decimal point how many digits here? 3 digits. The 3 digits are right here, and this value is subtract with how many non-recurring points? 2 non-recurring points. So this value is subtract with 2 non-recurring points. 2 non-recurring decimals means 46. 467 bar minus 46 by, here how many recurring points? 1. So I have to write 9, and how many non-recurring points? 2. I have to write 2 zeros here, and do the simplification. Getting 3 plus 421 by 900. In last section we know, in numerator is less than denominator, we directly write 3 into 421 by 900. These are the examples of converting a mixed recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction.
Up to now, we are discussed entire topics of decimal fractions. In this section, you have any doubt, please comment your doubt in comment box. In our next section, we will discuss simplifications. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.